So I'm almost ready to start welding. I spent some time just taping. I used must tape to tape the bearings and the surfaces that I didn't want any debris to get stuck on. So I know it is not temperature resistant and it is gonna get damaged very quickly. I don't care about that because it is more important for me to preserve everything as much as possible to save myself some trouble. And after I cleaned with brake cleaner, I have prepared these two plates. I have bent them a little, gave them a bend in the middle of each one of them because I made them a little bit bigger than what I was needing because I didn't want it to, you can see, I didn't want them to get very deep inside of the gears and prevent the axles from getting inside where they belong to. So the axles are installed just in case, and I'm gonna install these plates like this in each side, and I will first tack each gear to its neighbor, and once I do that I'm gonna drop this plate inside and I'm gonna start welding everything. I'm gonna weld them to the gears to the body and so on. So I think that I'm finally ready to start dealing with this differential. So let's make this final step. Well guys, I think I'm finally done, and I tried to cover all of my bases and welded everything to everything, all the gears. I started by welding the gears, each one to the next to its neighbors. Then I added the plate, and when I welded the plate I started welding the sides. So this is how it looks like now. I know it's not very good looking, but this is my first differential that I weld, so it is kind of strange still. I hope that this is gonna be enough and it is gonna hold. It looks like this, and it is still incredibly hot, so I'm gonna leave it for the night to cool down, because it is almost evening time and I still don't have the seals for the axles. I ordered new seals, so I'm gonna be replacing them as well, just to make sure that this differential it won't have any problems. And tomorrow I'm gonna pick them up and start assembling this thing. So this is all for now. See you again tomorrow.